Hello my dear student, good morning and welcome back on our school YouTube platform. I, Pawan Chaudhary, your maths teacher in front of you with the lecture for grade 3rd. Okay, here we are just discussing the chapter number 3rd, that is the subtraction. Now we are in exercise, that is page number 64. See the question number 6th. Question number 5th onward we have also already discussed in our previous lecture. Now see the question number 6th. So are you ready for that? Good. See the question number 6th. Check if the following are correct or not. In case not, give the correct answer. Okay, the first question, minute is given. What is the minute? That is 6006, and subtrahend is also given 4759, and the difference between these two are given, that is 1237. Okay, this is the minute and this is the subtrahend and this is the difference. So what you have to do, you have to check whether this subtraction is right or not. So here we are going to check. How you check? You know very well how to check the subtraction. When you are going to add the subtrahend with the difference, if the minute come in the answer, that means your subtraction is right, otherwise some mistake are there in the subtraction. Now first we check whether our subtraction is right or not. What you have to do? You have to add these two numbers, 4759 and 1237. You have to add these two. Now add 9 plus 7 16, carry 1, 3, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 3 9, 7 plus 2 9, 4 plus 1 5. Is the 5996 is the minute? No, it is not the minute. This means this is not correct. This is not correct. Now see the correct answer, 6006 4759. Check where's the mistake. Now 9 can't be subtracted from 6, so you have to borrow 110 from the next digit. Here it becomes 0, so you have to borrow from next digit. Here it also become 0, so you have to borrow from the last one. Here it become 5 and here become 10. Okay, when this digit borrow 110 from here, so here it become 10 and here it become 9. Okay, now this number borrow 110, this digit borrow 110 from here, so here it become 9 and here it become 16. Now check 9, so you have to subtract 9 from 16. What's the result? 7. Subtract 9 from 9 minus 5 4, 9 minus 7 2, 5 minus 4 1. So this is the correct answer, but here it is 1237. Right answer is 1247. So you have to do this like this. Now see the B part. First you have to check whether the subtraction is right or not. If the subtraction is not correct, then you have to write down the correct subtraction. Part B. Minute is given 4323 and subtrahend 3654, and the difference is 669. Now first we have to check whether our subtraction is right or not. Okay, now what you have to do? You have to add the subtrahend with the difference. 3654 plus 6069. Check. 9 plus 4 13, 3 carry 1, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 6 12, 2 carry 1, 6 plus 6 12 plus 1 13, 3 carry 1, 3 plus 1 4, 4323, which is the minute of our subtraction. This means our subtraction is correct. The second question, the subtraction is the correct. Now see the next question. That is question number 7. Anil has to travel 2349 km from Bhopal to reach home. Vaibhav has to travel 1959 km from Bhopal to reach home. Who lives closer to the Bhopal? Okay. That person who travel the less distance is live nearby the Bhopal. Who travel the less distance? Vaibhav. Okay. Vaibhav travel the less distance, that why Vaibhav is closer to the Bhopal. Next, what is the difference in the distance between Anil and Varun's home? Difference. How you find the difference? By subtracting the numbers. Okay, see the first one. Question number 7. Anil. Distance traveled by Anil. First solution. Distance traveled by Anil. 2349 kilometer. And distance traveled by Bhopal. Sorry, Vaibhav. Distance traveled by Vaibhav. 1959 kilometer. See the first question. Who lives closer to Bhopal? Okay. Those who distance cover less is live nearby the Bhopal. Okay. Who covered the less distance? Vaibhav, because he covered distance of 1959 only. So Vaibhav lives closer to Bhopal. This is the answer of this question. Okay, now see the next question. Next question. What is the difference in the distance between Anil and Varun's home? So how you find the difference? By subtracting the numbers. 49 minus 1959. Simply you have to subtract. 9 minus 9, 0. Here 5 can't be subtracted from 4. So you have to borrow 110, and 110 equals to 10 ones. Now subtract 5 from 14. What's the result? 9. 9 can't be subtracted from 2. So you have to borrow 110. Now 9 subtracted from 12. What's the result? 3. The difference between both the home are 390 kilometer. Now see the 8th question. Question number 8. Zim has rupees 9,613 in his bank account, and he withdrew. Withdrew means to have withdrew rupees 7,745. How much money in the left in his account? Left means you have to subtract. If the left word is there, difference word is there, find the difference. That means you have to subtract. Okay, so suppose you having 10 rupees in your piggy bank, and okay, and you have to withdraw 2 rupees from it. How much money left in the piggy bank? Obviously 8 rupees. Okay, now same type of question is this. Question number 8. Amount in Jim's account equals to rupees 9,613. Okay, amount withdraw by Jim equals to rupees 7,745. Amount left in his account equals to left. What you have to do? You have to subtract the numbers. Now what you have to do? You have to perform the subtraction here. So here it become 13, here become 0. Okay, here 5 and 10, and here it become 8. Now see here, 5 can't be subtracted from 3, so you have to borrow 110 from here. So here it becomes 0 and here it is 13. Okay, now subtract 8. 13 minus 5 equals to 8. Now 10 minus 4, 6. Now 15 minus 7, 8. 8 minus 7, 1. 1,868 rupees left in his account, in Jim's account. So beta, your chapter is being completed today. Okay, chapter and exercise, all the chapter, the third we have finished today. Okay, next on Monday I will come with the new chapter, that is chapter number 4, new concept, new questions and all that. So what you have to do, your work task is that so you have to solve the chapter number 3 from the starting once again as a revision. Okay, and if you face any type of difficulties, any type of doubts if you having, then you can contact us, and you can also then you can message us on our school WhatsApp number. I hope you enjoy and understand the whole chapter on the online class. Thank you and have a nice day beta. Take care. Bye.